Home Minister Govindas asserted that the government is constantly communicating with the NIA to identify those responsible for the Thinungei incident. He further attributed the cause of yesterday's incident at Ningthoukhong and Thinungei to misunderstanding and communication gap. The Home Minister was responding to a query raised by SKTV reporter during a press meet held today at Civil Secretariat's Minister Block at Manipur. Speaking further, the Home Minister maintained that the recent firing incident upon a group of protesters in a camp was also handed over to NIA, while asserting that security forces are still interrogating the UKNA members suspected to have been involved in the Thinungei incident to trace the details. He claimed that handing over the case to NIA was not due to a lack of confidence in the Manipur police, but a commitment to securing justice through a trusted national agency. Regarding yesterday's incident at Thinungei and Ningthoukhong, Govindas clarified that, based on specific source, a joint team of CISF, Assam Rifles and state forces apprehended a drug peddler, Sabir Ahmed, from Tulihal Airport, Imphal at around 10:30 a.m. The Home Minister continued that Assam Rifles personnel in plain clothes escorted Sabir Ahmed to Kokta as he revealed the presence of more drugs and weapons at the location. However, on the way, an unfortunate incident occurred when local women who were frisking vehicles stopped the team, leading to a miscommunication, claiming that a particular tribe was inside the vehicle, which created confusion and suspicion among the public. Due to this misunderstanding, tensions escalated quickly and the situation turned violent. People started attacking and in the chaos, some individuals were injured. The vehicle was set on fire and more unrest spread in the area. Govindas further said that security forces, including Assam Rifles and commandos, arrived and carried out rescue operations that eventually evacuated some people and controlled the situation with the help of local volunteers and groups. Claiming that the incident reportedly involved armed individuals and has raised serious concerns about safety and law and order, the Home Minister maintained that authorities are working to identify and take action against those responsible within the shortest possible time.
थोक्रिबा तांग तरेट की थौदोक सिदा ख्वाइदगी थमोय सोकवा यामना पिकलिबा अंगांग अनिसिगी मतौ करम लेखिद्रबनो अदुगुमलबा तमथीरबा मियोय कांबुसिंग अदो फाना नबगी याम कन्ना अखोयने संसिलिबा मतम असे अथुबा मतमदा मसक खंगदोकपा ngamnanaba सरकारना होनबसिदा प्रजासिंगना मतेंग पांगबियु हिंसागी थबक थादोकबियु अदुगुंबा पार्पिट्रेटर्स सिंगदो अथुबा मतमदा मसक खंगदोकना होनबदा कोई सरकारदा सहयोग तौबियु हाइदना आई अपील तौजरी वाही अमा सोइबना अखोय हेक्ता ngaranggi थौदोक चावरबा थौदोक अमा थोय अदुगा मी मयाम अमा असोगपन नंगिबसे अखोय ख्वाइदगी लाइबक थीबनी मखोयने संसिलिरुबदसु ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर अमसुंग अखोयगी सरकार असिना ड्रग अमसुंग arms smuggling tawusina maram oiraga ngasi drugs control tawbang amakriba disarmament tawnanabagi damakta naharon singna pairiba or any torment dikna illegal oiba mawongda arms sing possess tawriba punamangsi thingmada wasilakpadugi sarkarna khara kanna unified command gi meeting da hairobaduna makhoisu madu changsilubani but masi communication gap kharaso security gi coordination na khara walhubadagi tawbani haiduna ai mayamna thamjaningi masi damakta ai IGR south ka paw phauna jai makhoi huji core command ga tawraga site to da makhoi inspection tawri makhoi gi site gi su higat khokatpagi yamna athuba matamda ai tawrakane haibagi asipa thajabam leijai maramaduna akhoi gi maru oina manipur gi praja da amasung bisnupur district ki praja singla khoi thamjaningi basidi hingsa gi thabak ban chingma ta thadok pire haraga sarkar ga ningthi jana wari sanare haraga koi khusam naraga khoi sarkar da सहयोग तौबियो हाइदना आई अपील तौजरी।